Hi everyone, Letty here, Party Planner Papery. I have a Simply Gilded planner and crafty haul. I had some mystery boxes and bundles. Let's see what I got in those mystery boxes. Welcome back everyone. So I have a fantastic haul that I purchased from Simply Gilded. It is a sort of stationery, mostly washi company out of Texas, and it's woman owned. Irene is the owner. But right now she's having her like winter mystery box sales. So she's got a bunch of different mystery like box options. You've got like actual boxes full of stuff with washi. You have an entire washi set. I think she has like 60 washi for like $60 or something. And then they had a mini album or album bundle, and I think there's a few of these left, and you get some actual like little albums. There's a set of these. You get a large, a small, or a medium, a small, and a bow charm. And that was, I think, $15. She had some packs of sticker sheets. The sticker sheets were 20 sheets for $12. So I did pick up 2 of those. The medium bundle that I picked up, which is this one was $45, and it has 35 plus items. But again, there's a ton of different like combinations. There's a bigger mystery bundle like this, like a box. And I want to say it has like 100 items for $120 or something like that. So anyway, if you're interested in something like that, definitely check it out. I'll list Irene's website down below, which is Simply Gilded. I'll list that website down below, simplygilded.com. So again, here's what I picked up. So I picked up one of the mysteries, 45, one of the mystery album sets, which was 15, and then 2 of the sticker sets, and these were $12 each. $84 pre-tax and pre-shipping. Shipping was $9.20 and tax was $7.69. So I spent about $100 on all of this, but a lot of that was taxes and also shipping. So she did send in some freebies. I've got a couple of really cute bow stickers, and then like a postcard kind of situation here with it's blank on the back. You could frame that or whatever. And then there's a little sample freebie, which is foiled. These are stickers. So that's cute. So if you're not familiar with Simply Gilded, she is the company you've probably seen. They'll have the washi with little bows. I'll show you. There's going to be a ton of them, I think, in here. But the bow is sort of like her trademark, even before the bow was kind of a really big thing with the couture or the coquette. So definitely check it out if you're interested. So let's take a peek at the album set, because this one actually, and I believe these are for stickers. I did get one larger one, and it's like for the larger sticker sheets, and it has a little film here, which I'm not going to take off, and it has like a rose gold. And here is what the inside looks like. So you got a pocket on this side. That's pretty. And then you've got all your albums here, so you could put your sticker sheets. They do side load, so they load from the inside right here. And again, you've got a ton of these. And this is like a maroonish color, burgundy maroon. This would be great for like maybe winter or Christmas. And then I did get a smaller one as well. And this one's like a lavender or like a lilac with silver buttons and things. So this one's a smaller one. Of course, you get the little pocket. That's super cute. And then you've got your pockets here, so you could put in your smaller sticker sheets. And I'm guessing they're like for this size sticker sheet right here. Those would go perfect in there. And then these larger ones are the ones that go in this bigger one. But you get some sheets here, and the little clasp is again silver, and you do have like a little thing here where you could always do like a dangle, a charm hanging off. There's one on this one as well, so that's super fun. You can make it sort of with accessories. And then it did come with a bow charm. So the bow charm that I got was this really pretty light green color. Super cute. So this set right here for these 3 items was $15. I don't know how much it retails, but it was $15, and I want to say everything was like, I don't know, like 80% off or something. So that's a fantastic deal there. Now, I did pick up 2 packs of the sticker sheets. I think she said that she had done 4 combinations, and if you buy more than 4, you will get duplicates. I only picked up 2. They were $12 a piece, but you got 20 stickers. Let's look at one, and then we'll look at the second one, and then we'll dive into this big box. So this is 20 sheets of stickers for $12. I thought that was a fantastic deal. And these are gorgeous. Oh my goodness, these are stunning. So a lot of them have foiling on them. You can see it here. So this is really pretty. It's just, they're gorgeous. They're so gorgeous. Look at this one. So you got some like koi fish. Oh, you got Halloween. Oh, these are just so fun as far as like the consistency of like what they're made out of. Look at that. That is super, super fun. And then you've got this one that's like more of a like a beach vacation, vacay, gold foiling. Look at this one. Little cottage, little fall cottage. Super cute. We've got some books. This is more of a sort of like Regency maybe with some books, lots of gold foiling. Then we've got some like Oriental style and also has foiling. This is one of her signature images, the little bunny. I had picked up a advent calendar. This one, oh look, this is like the Lion King. Cute. I had picked up an advent calendar and I remember seeing the little bunny, but the advent calendar that I picked up, this one has holographic on it, was a few years ago. And you know what's crazy is I think I opened it and I thought it was too precious that I didn't want to use anything. I really need to take it out. This is adorable, the little country one with the chickens. Oh, these stickers are so gorgeous. Here's one like Under the Sea. This one's Pastel Mermaid. Lots of holographic on that one. And then we've got some ghosts. This is super fun. Super, super fun. And then Happy Birthday. We've got a little birthday cart. So pretty. And then we've got some other ones on the back. So we've got bows. So it was going to be decor and also like labels or seals. And so I think that's what we got here. And it looks like, oh, there's a bunch of seals here on this one. I remember this little bunny in the advent calendar that I picked up a while back. Like I said, this was a few years ago. And I think I still have it. If you want to see an unboxing of that old advent, let me know and I'll do it. It was before I had the YouTube channel. And then I got 2 of these. These are the heart icon dates and foils. Super pretty. It's like a black holographic. So all of that was $12. I thought that was pretty fantastic. Let's go ahead and open up the second one. So here's the second one. Okay, so really pretty butterflies with rainbows, lots of foil as well. And then we've got some Under the Sea, and it has like this pink iridescence on that one. So another mermaid one. This one might be slightly different than the other one. I'm not 100% sure. We've got Happy Moon Festival with the bunny. Real cute. Dream Big with some really fun, like kind of summer vibes on that one. Then we've got this one that has, it's called Sugar and Spice. It's so cute. This, oh my goodness. It's like almost like a vellum. They're like a vellum set of stickers. You've got these. These are fun. They kind of look like pumpkins, but I don't know if they are, but they kind of look like pumpkins, but they're like pastel. Some bananas and like little banana milks. Some more kind of beachy paradise travel. Super fun. Some frogs. Look at that. Look at that. Bayou. It says Beguiling Bayou. Ooh, that's super fun. And then we've got this one, Chinese New Year. Look at that. I love these. These are so cute. And I love that all of them have foiling on them. I can't even imagine. Like, here's some llamas. Llama beads. Oh, that's cute. Cute, cute, cute. Here's this one, Summer Fancy. So stinking cute. And these, you've got your little jars with the light bugs. And then you've got these moons, and these are super shiny, super shiny. Some more of the little bunnies, and then some more of these. These are like a sort of a burnt orange, coppery holographic. And then I've got 2 more sticker sheets. This one's the heart and icons, but this one's a different color. This one's almost like a rose gold. And then these are some clear dates, it looks like, or heart foil, silver foiling dates. So that is awesome. So this was, again, $12 for all of those sticker sheets. So $24 for all of these sticker sheets that I just picked up right here. 40 sticker sheets for $24. I feel like that, you could not beat that. So now, the moment I've been certainly waiting for, let's look at what comes in this mystery box. And again, this one was $45 for 35 plus items. Look at the box. Look at how cute it is. Jasper. He must be the little bear. So that's one of their mascots, I think. And so right off the bat, I'm seeing some fun items here. We've got a coaster, And it's like a sort of iridescent blue, rainbow blue, super fun. Simply Gilded, and it's stitched. That is super adorable. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. And then we've got this. This is a mouse pad, and it is this pearlescent, iridescent rainbow color. It's so pretty. So pretty. And it has the Simply Gilded right here, embroidered or embossed or whatever. And then the stitching, super cute. So we've got those two big items. And then you dive into the actual box. Oh my goodness. So again, there's 35 plus items. We have a key fob with washi tape, and it has a heart. That is cute. I'm not gonna take anything out. I've got like a patch, a sticky patch, and it's like a little rainbow with some glitter, gold glitter. There is a little sticky notes, oval sticky notes with looks like rose gold foiling. That is super pretty. We've got this red bow, really pretty. Okay, look at all the washi, and under the washi I see that there's another album down here, and I think there's some more stuff like down under the washi. Let's take a look at all the washi though. So here is one, and it's almost like a PET tape, and it looks like it's a little country theme. Now I don't know if this is going to do it justice, if you'll be able to see it, but it is adorable. So that is cute. And then we've got just a ton of additional items here. So you've got this one with the little party animal balloons. And then you've got this one that has the like sprinkle up at the top. I noticed they started doing that where they were doing the gold sprinkle up at the top, because I know people were doing like with an overlay at some point. But this is already built into the washi. I hope the camera is going to pick it up because it's absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got some more. Look at that. And some little books. So pretty. So pretty. Okay. A ton of items. We've got like a wood grain, and then you've got like this charm sort of bangle kind of situation, almost like a bracelet necklace. I'm trying to do it to where you won't get like a glare, but I think it's going to be impossible, honestly. But it's so pretty. And then we've got these two. And this one says happy birthday. I don't know if you'll be able to see it right, but it says happy birthday. And then the bottom one is like floral with like silver foiling. So pretty. So pretty. So pretty. Okay. We've got, let me see if I can do a few more at the same time, and then maybe you won't see as much glare, but there's a whole bunch of different ones. We've got some gold foiling on that one. Here's one that has the little bows, and it's really pretty background. Happy birthday. And then another floral, very similar to, looks like it coordinates with this collection, that bottom one. That's what it looks like. It looks like it coordinates with that one. But this is just absolutely stunning. So those bows are the like signature washi look that Simply Gilded has. So if you've ever seen anybody use the little, like the bows on their washi, it probably came from Simply Gilded. So I hope this will pick up, but this is so pretty. Lots and lots of washi. Little bunnies on that one. This is like a navy, red, black, and green on that one. Super pretty. Okay. Look at that one. This one has little footballs. And then the top one, it just has like iridescent, sort of like lace, like iridescent lace on it. But that one has like little footballs, which is so cute. She is, like I said, from Texas. So we think highly of our football here in Texas. And then this one has like teacups. That's gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Little teacups with gold foiling, and then a bunch of just fun iridescence. You've got like a Christmas one with like plaid. And then you've got like a, looks kind of like a gymnastics kind of bunnies, maybe. Real cute. Super cute. Here's some more. There's so many washis in this. I probably didn't need washi, but oh my goodness, I'm so glad that I did pick this up because it's so cute. As of the time of filming this, which it is Saturday, right after Christmas, I don't know what's it today, the 27th, 28th, there were still some available. So again, I'll have the link down below. You can check it out. Look at all these have that sprinkle of like glitter up at the top. Absolutely stunning. So stunning. So yeah. And then look how fun these are. Oh my goodness. I love the black and white stripe. That'll be perfect for Halloween. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, these are adorable. These are going to be so fun to use. Really dark plaid on that one, like a fall plaid, Christmas plaid maybe. And then we have some little thin ones as well. This one says clear skies ahead. And that one just has some little shamrocks. That's cute. So cute. That's going to be perfect for St. Patty's Day. And then you've got this one with like a scene and some stars. Wow, that's really pretty. So we've got these 3 as well. And then, oh, we've got some bats. Look at that. That'll be great for Halloween as well. I don't know if it's going to pick it up, but we've got some bats on these. And they're sort of like a neutral color on the 4 washies. We've got some what look like little raindrops. But you could also use these like a small like mini checklist. I don't know if I can pick it up. Maybe that'll pick it up right there. They're really pretty though. And then you've got some little like cranes or birds, and then some little hearts down on the bottom one. I hope it's going to pick it up. But this is so pretty. So pretty. There's so much washi. So this one has like little dots, gold dots, almost like little splatters. It reminds me of Easter, honestly. And then you've got some neon with some holographic, iridescent holographic. Oh, that's super fun. So this is going to be fun too. So yeah, and it looks like we have a album, okay, like a sticker album. And there's also a weekly notepad. So this looks like rose gold holographic on it. Here's what it looks like. You've got Monday through Saturday. And then you've got your top goals, your to-do, and your notes. Really pretty. That's the end of the box. Let's take a look at this one real quick though. This is absolutely stunning. Stunning. So it opens just like the other one, and it holds your sticker sheets, which is perfect because I just got a ton of sticker sheets. It's got your little pocket right here. So pretty. And it has Simply Gilded in the back. I don't know if it'll pick it up, but, and then this one it looks like a gold hardware. So pretty. Well, that was everything that I picked up with the mystery sale. Again, they're still having it. So if it's something that you think you might want, I would definitely take, the time to take a look at it. This is going to be super affordable. Everything is like 80% off, I believe. They also have some of the other clearance on sale, but you really can't beat the bang for the buck when it comes to these mystery grab bags because you get so much. Of course, you don't know what you're going to get, but it's definitely worth it. Again, all of this was, I think, $84 plus taxes and shipping. I paid just over $100 for all of this. But look at all the washies. I mean, the washies alone, I feel like I got at least, I don't know, maybe 30 rolls of washi. Like, this is crazy. I'll count them. I'll put a number up here, how many washies I actually received, but there's just a ton of washi here. So definitely worth it. I'm super excited to use this. And again, this is a local Texas company, small business, woman owned. So definitely check her out. I'll link it down below. So thank you so much. I hope you got inspired or are to use your supplies or to go out and try to find some of this if this is something that you want. Thanks so much. And as always, happy crafting. Thanks so much for visiting, everyone. Drop me a comment down below letting me know what was your favorite item from this haul. Happy crafting.